In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a chart in Google Sheets. We'll start right inside your spreadsheet. First, open your Google Sheets file so you can see the data you want to visualize. To make sure the chart includes exactly what you need, drag to highlight the data range, including any headers for labels. Clean, contiguous selections make better charts and save you tweaking later. With your data selected, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Chart. Sheets will instantly create a chart on the sheet and open the chart editor. If you need to, you can use that sidebar to switch the chart type or adjust titles and legends so the printed result is clear and readable. Next, hover over the chart and click the three dots in the upper right corner of the chart box. From that menu, choose Move to Own Sheet. This places the chart on its very own tab, which is the easiest way to print it cleanly without grid lines or extra cells around it. At the bottom of the window, click the New Chart tab to open it. You should now see a full-page view with only the chart. This is perfect for a one-page printout or for sharing as a standalone page. Now it's time to print. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command+P. This opens the print preview. On the left, confirm you're printing the current sheet, which is the chart sheet. Check orientation. Landscape often works better for wider charts, while portraits suits tall visuals. If the chart looks cut off, change scale to fit to page, or adjust margins to narrow. This ensures the whole chart appears without shrinking too much. When everything looks right, click Next. Your system's print dialog will appear. Here you can pick the printer, number of copies, color or black and white, paper size, and other preferences. Give the preview one last glance to confirm the chart fills the page the way you expect. Finally, click Print. Your chart will be sent to the printer and come out as a clean, professional-looking page, ready for a meeting, a report, or your project notes. That's all there is to it. Highlight, insert the chart, move it to its own sheet, open that sheet, use the print shortcut, click Next, and print. If the result seems too small, tweak font sizes or legend spacing in the chart editor, then repeat the print steps for a sharper finish.